Alright folks, wanted to do a real quick video here on just a super fast video on how to fix your horn on a let's say 70s through 80s, possibly even into the 90s. I'm not quite sure on that, but your horn, which is located right here. A lot of these horns don't work, and the reason for that is because this bracket right here that holds this horn on is actually the ground for the horn. There's one single wire that goes underneath and plugs in right there. That wire runs all the way through the firewall up there and into your horn button. When the disc in your horn button makes contact with the metal plate behind it inside your horn, better yet, let's come over here and we'll look. So when this makes contact with the plate behind it, that closes off the circuit, which makes the horn blow. Okay, so you need to make sure that this ground bracket is clean, and I mean clean. Even the bolt, the underside of the bolt that's holding it on, needs to be clean, free of any rust, paint, any of that type stuff. That's how I fixed mine. It took about 5 minutes. Just pulled it off, got some sandpaper, sanded down the bolt, the underside of the bolt, sanded down the bracket, sanded down this plate that it's attached to. Okay, and then once I did that, I had no issues anymore. And now, as you can see, the horn works.